In conquering word problems, the first step is to understand the word problem. To do that, the best way to do that is to draw a picture. And so that's what we're going to do here. The length of a rectangle is 4 meters longer than its width. So that's step one. Let's draw a rectangle where the length is 4 meters longer than its width. Okay, so what we do is we take the given width. Let's just say the width here is x. That's the width, so that means the length is going to be x plus 4. X plus 4. So what we've just done is illustrated the word problem. We took a word problem and turned it into a picture. The length of a rectangle is 4 meters longer than its width. There we go. Now, if the perimeter of the rectangle is 64 meters, we're going to find its length and width. Okay, so now the perimeter of a rectangle, any rectangle, is going to be P perimeter equals twice the length plus twice the width. That's all rectangles. That's the formulation for a rectangle. So if the perimeter equals twice the length, twice the width, we can express this rectangle in terms of x. And so twice the length is going to be 2 times x plus 4, right there, plus twice the width, or 2x. And we can reduce this down in algebra. 2x plus 8 plus 2x. And we can continue reducing this expression here, algebra expression, 4x plus 8. And that is the perimeter. Remember, the perimeter value is going to be 64. So 64 is equal to 4x plus 8. Given this formula here, we can solve for x. Okay, let me get rid of this here. And so we want to do is subtract 8 from both sides. We get 56 is equal to 4x. And then we can divide both sides by 4. Divide this side by 4. Divide this side by 4. And we get 56 divided by 4 is 14 equals x. So x equals 14. So that means the width here is 14. The width of this rectangle is 14. So if the width equals 14, that means the length equals 14 plus 4, or 18. And we can check our work to see, does that solve the equation for the perimeter? Perimeter equals twice the length, which is 18, plus twice the width, which is 14. And let's see if that works. 36 plus 28 equals 64. That's the perimeter. But remember, the question's asking for the length and the width. So really, all you have to do is give these values here, the width and the length, 14 and 18. That's what they're looking for. So that answers this word problem, 14 and 18, given the facts above. That's how you solve and approach word problems.